Hi everyone, welcome to my mother's kitchen. This is my mother, Jane Lee, and today we're going to make brain soup. And for that, we need brains. So we've got 2 pork brains here. We've got some ginger. We've got some Chinese dried ingredients in the bowl, chun gong bakji, and then we've got some cooking alcohol as well. So to make the brain soup, we're going to need a clay pot like this that you can buy in most Chinatowns. This is a small one, but my mother broke the lid a long time ago, so instead of buying a new pot, what we've decided to do is to just use this saucer as a lid. So you're going to put the chun gong bakji into the clay bowl with half a cup of ginger. So we've got one cup of, it's called cooking liquor. Imonnya, imon. One cup of boiled water. So the pig's brain are going in. So you're gonna stir it around a little bit. Yeah. So brains are good for your brains. So you can be smart. My grandmother lived till she was 103. Mom says this is why. So we're gonna put maybe 2 inches of water in this pot here, and then at the bottom we put a little towel just to keep it moist. Yeah. And then on top of that we've got a little rack that we're gonna put the soup on top of. So I'm gonna put the soup onto the rack, and it's just gonna sit there in water. Ang igagoi, right? Yeah. So I'm gonna place the saucer on top so it acts as a lid, and then we're gonna cover this. Okay, so now we're going to let it go on a medium heat for 3 hours. Wow, get him.
Nice brain. Nice brain, good for brain.
So here you have it, everyone. After 3 hours, brain soup.
Nice and good ever.